students, today we are discussing about the next problem, number 13. What is that? Integration tan h inverse x dx on minus 1 comma 1. See here, tan h inverse x is equals to, what is the formula? 1 by 2 into log of mod 1 plus x by 1 minus x. So what is given here? Integration tan h inverse x. Now this is equals to integration. What is tan h inverse x formula? That is 1 by 2 log of mod 1 plus x by 1 minus x. Now here 1 by 2 is constant. Integration log of mod 1 plus x by 1 minus x dx. So now 1 by 2 integration. This in which form? Log a minus log a by b. Log a by b. Log a by b formula, what is that? Log a minus log b. Log a minus log b. So we can add this is c. Log of mod 1 plus x minus log of mod 1 minus x dx. Now this is equals to 1 by 2 integration log of 1 plus x into 1 we are writing dx minus integration log mod 1 minus x into 1 dx. See now, this in which form? This is, we are taking f of x and this is g of x. This is logarithmic function and this is algebraic function. So what is f of x here? Log of 1 plus x. And what is f dash of x here? The ddx of log 1 plus x means what? That is 1 by log 1 plus x. And what is g of x here? Nothing but 1. So apply here, and here also this is called as f of x and this is g of x. F of x equals to log of 1 minus x. And what is f dash of x here? 1 by log of 1 plus x. And what is g of x here? G of x equals to 1. See here what we are getting now. Apply integration by parts formula. Integration f of x g of x dx. What is the formula here? F of x integration g of x dx minus integration f dash of x integration g of x dx whole dx. Okay? Okay, first one here. This is equals to 1 by 2 into, what is f of x here? Log of 1 plus x integration, what is g of x? 1 into dx minus integration, what is f dash of x? 1 by log of 1 plus x integration g of x dx whole dx minus next one. What is that? Again this is also applied integration by parts formula. What is f of x here? Log of 1 minus x integration, what is g of x here? 1 into dx minus integration, what is f dash of x? 1 by log of 1 minus x integration g of x dx whole dx. Okay, so now this is equals to what we are getting here? 1 by 2 into is nothing but x minus integration 1 by log of 1 plus x integration dx is nothing but x dx minus log of 1 minus x integration dx means what, that is x minus integration 1 by log of 1 minus x integration dx means that is x dx. So this is equals to 1 by 2 into here x we are getting common, then log of 1 plus x minus here also x we are getting common, then log of 1 minus x minus integration x by log 1 plus x. So we can write this is, we are adding and subtracting with 1 to the x. So then log 1 plus x. See now, what we are getting, dx of log x means 1 by 1 plus x, and here 1 by 1 plus x. Here this is, no need to write here log. This is 1 by 1 plus x. This is 1 by 1 minus x. See here, what we are getting here, how we can write, this is x plus 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by 1 plus x dx. So then minus into minus, that is plus integration here. How we can write, x is there. Here also we are adding and subtracting with the 1. So what we are getting, see, here, how we can write, this is minus of minus x by 1 minus x dx. Here also we are adding and subtracting with the 1. So now this is equals to 1 by 2 into x into this, in which form, log a minus log b. Log a by b means 1 plus x by 1 minus x minus integration, split the denominator here, x plus 1 by x plus 1, that is 1 minus 1 by 1 plus x dx minus integration here, we can write, this is minus into minus is nothing but plus here, 1 minus of 1 minus x 1 minus of 1 minus x. So this is also, we can, how we can write, this is integration 1 by 1 minus x dx 1 by 1 minus x minus 1 dx. So what we are getting here, see, this is equals to 1 by 2 into x into log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x minus integration dx is nothing but x minus into minus plus integration 1 by 1 plus x dx means what, that is log x, log mod x means log 1 plus x minus here log mod 1 minus x, so minus into minus plus integration dx is nothing but x plus c. Here what we are getting cancel here, minus x plus x gets cancelled. So we can write this is minus x plus x gets cancelled. So now what we are getting here, this is equals to 1 by 2 into x log 1 by 2 into x log 1 plus x by 1 minus x. Now log a minus log b again. So we can write that is log a by b. Log a by b plus c. Now this is our required answer. See once again this problem. What is given here, integration tan h inverse x dx. Tan h inverse x equals to, what is the formula, 1 by 2 into log mod 1 plus x by 1 minus x. What is given here, integration tan h inverse x dx is equals to 1 by 2 into log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x dx. So now here 1 by 2 integration log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x dx. See now, this in which form, log a by b, means log a minus log b. So we can write this is 1 by 2 integration log 1 plus x into 1 dx minus integration log 1 minus x into 1 dx. We take this f of x and this is g of x. Here also f of x, g of x. What is f of x here? Log 1 plus x, and g of x means 1. What is f dash of x? dx of log x means 1 by x means 1 by 1 plus x. And here also f dash of x 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 minus x. See here 1 by 2 into, apply integration by parts formula. What is that? F of x integration f of x g of x dx is equals to what? F of x integration g of x dx minus integration f dash of x integration g of x dx whole dx. So what we are getting here, 1 by 2 into, what is f of x? Log 1 plus x integration 1 dx means g of x dx minus integration f dash of x integration g of x dx whole dx, minus this is also same, f of x integration g of x dx minus integration f dash of x integration g of x dx whole dx. Now this is equals to 1 by 2 into log of 1 plus x integration dx is nothing but x minus integration 1 by 1 plus x integration dx means that is x dx minus log of 1 minus x integration dx means x. So now here minus integration 1 by 1 minus x into x dx. So now how we can write this is 1 by 2 into x we are getting common, then log 1 plus x minus log 1 minus x minus integration x by 1 plus x. So we are adding and subtracting to 1 into the numerator, that is x plus 1 minus 1 by 1 plus x dx. Now here what we are getting here, see, minus into minus is nothing but plus integration. How we can write this is x means 1 minus of 1 minus x. Multiply with minus, minus 1 minus into minus plus x. Plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. So then minus into minus, that's okay. See here what we are getting here, 1 by 2 into x into log of, this is which form, log a minus log b, means log a by b minus minus integration x plus 1 by x plus 1, that is 1 minus 1 by 1 plus x dx. The next one plus integration, okay, this is plus integration 1 by 1 minus x minus 1 minus x by 1 minus x gets cancelled, that is 1 dx. So we can get this is 1 by 2 into x log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x minus integration dx is nothing but x minus into minus plus integration 1 by 1 plus x dx, means that is log 1 plus x. Next this is what integration 1 by 1 minus x dx is nothing but directly we can write that is log 1 minus x. Now plus into minus, minus this is minus integration dx, means what, that is x. So what we are getting here, 1 by 2 x log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x plus log 1 plus x plus log 1 minus x. See here, listen once again from here. F of x integration g of x dx minus integration f dash of x integration g of x dx whole dx minus, again apply the formula here, this one f of x integration g of x dx minus integration f dash of x integration g of x dx whole dx. Now 1 by 2 into integration dx means x, then x into log 1 plus x minus 1 by 1 plus x into x dx. So minus integration dx means what, that is x log 1 minus x. Now plus integration dx means x here. So how we can write this is this is plus and this is minus x. So what we are getting here, 1 by 2 x we are getting common, then log 1 plus x minus log 1 minus x minus integration, here we are adding and subtracting with 1, x plus 1 minus 1 by 1 plus x dx. Now so plus into minus x means what, here we can write that is 1 minus x minus 1. One minus 1 minus x dx plus 1 minus 1. minus 1 by 1 minus x dx. So here 1 by 2 into x into log a minus log b, that is log a by b, minus 1 minus 1 by 1 plus x dx. Now plus 1 here. This is equals to 1 by 2 into x into log a minus log b is nothing but what? Log a by b minus here 1 minus 1 by 1 plus x dx plus 1 minus x gets cancelled. 1 minus 1 by 1 minus x dx. So what we are getting here, see, this is equals to 1 by 2 into x into log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x minus integration 1 dx means x minus into minus plus integration 1 by 1 plus x means log mod 1 plus x plus integration dxx minus log minus log 1 minus x plus c. So what we are getting here, c, 1 by 2 into x log 1 plus x by 1 minus x, here minus x plus x gets cancelled. Now log a minus log b, that is log a by b plus c. So this is our final answer. See the next problem. Next, evaluation of integrals. Evaluation of integrals of the form integration 1 by x square plus dx plus c dx, where a, b, c are real numbers. A is not equals to 0. So this is first method. What is the working rule here? Working rule: reduce ax square plus dx plus c to the form a into x plus alpha whole square plus beta, and then integrate using the substitution, using the substitution. T equals to x plus alpha. T equals to x plus alpha. So solve problem number 1. Evaluate integration dx by 4x square minus 4x minus 7. See the denominator here. 4x square minus 4x minus 7. 4 we are getting common. Then x square minus x minus 7 by 4. Now 4 into x square. Now see here, this is from x square plus bx plus c form. So here 2a equals to minus 1, a equals to minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 whole square is 1. We are adding here plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4. So 4 into x square minus x plus 1 by 4 minus 7 by 4 minus 1 by 4. So this is equal to, we can write x minus 1 by 2 whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Minus 7 minus 1, that is minus 8 by 4. So 4 into x minus 1 by 2 whole square minus 2 we are writing. See now 4 into x minus 1 by 2 whole square minus root 2 whole square. Now what is t here? Let x minus 1 by 2 equals to t we are taking in the method. So now see, integration dx by, or we can write this is 1 by 4 into x minus 1 by 2 whole square minus root 2 whole square. So now this in which form integration? 1 by x square minus a square form. What is x minus 1 by 2 equals to t? This is equals to integration dx by, what is x minus 1 by 2 here? That is nothing but t. Is t square minus root 2 whole square. So already we know this in which form integration 1 by x square minus a square dx. What is the formula here? 1 by 2a into log of mod x minus a by x plus a. Integration 1 by x square minus a square dx is equals to, what is the formula? 1 by 2a log mod x minus a by x plus a. Now 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 into this is in which form? X square minus a square form. What is a here? A is nothing but root 2 log of mod x minus a means t minus root 2 by x plus a, t plus root 2 plus c. Now 1 by 8 root 2 into log of, what is t here? T is nothing but x minus 1 by 2 minus root 2 x minus 1 by 2 plus root 2 plus c. So what we are getting, this is equals to 1 by 8 root 2 into log of mod 2x minus 1 minus 2 root 2 by 2x minus 1 plus 2 root 2. 2 gets cancelled plus c. This is our required answer. So this is very important problem for 7 marks.